Keeping your Suzuki Fronx infotainment system up to date ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features. There are two primary methods for updating: over-the-air, OTA, and USB. OTA updates are wireless, delivered directly to your car via a Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your Fronx is parked with the engine off and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, preferably 2.4 GHz for compatibility. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Software Update to check for and initiate updates. This method is convenient and preserves your data. USB updates are a manual alternative, ideal for areas with poor internet. Download the latest firmware from Suzuki's support portal, such as suzuki.co.in or your regional site. Format a USB drive to FAT32, ensuring it's at least 16 GB in size. Then, plug the USB into your Fronx and follow the on-screen prompts in the Update menu. Remember, all updates are digitally signed by Suzuki for security. Map updates are crucial for accurate navigation and real-time traffic data. These can be done via OTA or USB. For OTA, the system integrates with Google Maps, providing quarterly updates. Link your Google account for personalized data. USB updates involve downloading offline map packs from Suzuki's website. Ensure you have the integrated navigation app up to date, as updates focus on faster, vector-based maps. For Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, pair your compatible smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Enable the feature in the infotainment settings, ensuring your phone's app versions are up to date. Android Auto requires version 10 or higher, and Apple CarPlay works with iOS 15 or later. Future updates will leverage 5G for faster downloads and improved AI-driven voice assistant interactions. Remember that Suzuki is aiming to provide monthly minor updates by 2026, so make sure you check regularly.